Hello, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi. The broadcast is coming to you from Hyderabad, outer ring of India. My dear friends, I am proclaimed myself as a yogi. And yogi has a very important message to convey to the world fraternity. Yogi is to be selfless servant of the mankind. Yogi is a man with a definite purpose, with iron willpower, commitment, daring, determination, striving, seeking and finding different ways and means to do everything possible to establish the kingdom of God on the planet Earth. The whole universe is our family. Every creature, birds, beasts, animal, plants, they are having the similar feelings, and so everyone has to be protected. Darwin's theory of evolution suggested that the human race, which finally become the most prominent and the powerful, they have the most powerful brain, the intelligence which can really do anything and everything on earth, my dear friends. But unfortunately, the human mind doesn't know what is right and wrong. So this mind has to be trained very powerfully by positive mental attitude. When I talk positive mental attitude, the religious scriptures who are really universal, they are teaching truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, forgiveness, building your strength, thinking and focusing on your contribution, how to really generate awakening in the minds, hearts and souls of the people, to love everyone, to care for everyone, to share everything for everyone, and educating them that this life is very short-lived. Millions and thousands of millions people were born and they all died. We can not survive here permanently. Transitory nature of life. So every citizen should know that. Everyone should value every second of their life, and they should try to build up a strength of their body, of their mind, and educate and train the mind by meditation, contemplations and intense dwelling on such things as love, kindness, compassion. Never be allowing the mind to swing to the negative mental attitude where there is dominance of greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. Beloved friends, only then we can create a beautiful world, not only for mankind, but for birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans. You see, if you go to the jungle, you will see the most powerful beasts: lions, tigers, leopards, hyenas, wolves and the wild dogs. They are preying on the innocent creatures. I am very much pained. I am disciple of Buddha, Vivekananda and Jesus. I don't want bloodshed. I don't want any creature to be killed before their natural death. The Mother Earth is very kind and generous. It has created everything for everyone, but unfortunately the nature was very wrong when it created such destructive, violent creatures. And if I come to this conclusion that the most violent beast on this planet Earth is only uncontrolled mind of the humans. These humans can be the forms of Alexander, who want to destroy the whole earth and make its dominance. King Cyrus, another great destroyer. Then came a lot of destructive kings and emperors who want to rule other people, enslave them, murder them, rape them, destroy their civilization and culture. You can count in India particularly, I can tell you. In World War II, Hitler was a great demon who himself killed near about 12 million people, 6 million being only the Jews. In India, the Hindus, the land of Hindus, Hindustan, it was ravaged and invaded by a lot of robbers, looters, criminals, murderers, starting from Mahmud of Ghazni, Mahmud Ghori and so forth, then Genghis Khan, Taimurlan, and so many other destructive forces. Ultimately Babur came and he started Mughal Empire, and British came plunderer, criminals. They looted, plundered in India, and they demolished the Mughal Empire. And all this happened because the Indian lost their DNA. Unity, integrity, honesty, commitment, love and affection for the motherland and for their people. India become a ravaged, fleeced, skeletons. No food, no shelter, nothing, no respect, no honor. Anybody's daughters, sisters, mothers can be raped, murdered. Some kings and some emperors like Akbar used to have a lot of accumulation of the most beautiful women. They may be virgin, they may be young girls, they may be married women, and just to gratify his sexual urge, he will select them. These kinds of terrorism we have seen in India. We also saw the killings and murders of the patriotic great Indians. Guru Arjan Dev was massacred in the broad daylight in the assembly of Jahangir. Guru Tej Bahadur Singh was also cut his throat in assembly of Aurangzeb. So one after another, the brutal forces came to India and they destroyed every civilization. And Indians were not united. They were divided, and all the invaders used divide and rule policy, and so India was ruined. Takshila was destroyed, civilization was destroyed. All such kind of things, the mosques were created on temples. Somnath was ravaged so many times. The temples were plundered and looted, and the foolish monks were praying their gods. I'm very sorry, I'm a scientist. I am as good as Darwin, Newton, Einstein, and as brave as anybody great, like my best friend Abraham Lincoln, my great friend Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and every great Indians who really lived in humanity, as great Indians as Buddha and Vivekananda who preached the world peace. I belong to that category. Dear friends, I just wanted to convey you the bottom line. Educate our people. And the education has not been in the right direction. They are only giving degrees, but they are not grading their moral values, the spirituality, the kindness, compassion, the generosity, the love, affection, and compassion and forgiveness. That's why even Jesus was crucified. My best friend Socrates was poisoned to death. My beloved and my role model Abraham Lincoln was shot dead. Even my disciple Gandhi was shot dead. So all these kinds of things happen because of the ignorance of the people. I beg your pardon. I've talked to my gurus, my disciples, and everything, but we are birds of the same feather. We believe in truth, justice, peace, love, and not violence. Thank you, dear friends. Don't feel I am egoist. I am your servant. I am the dirt of your shoes. If you really want the earth to survive longer, then there should be kindness, compassion, love and peace for everyone, birds, fish, animals, plants and humans. We have to educate our mass. Education is not for self-gratification, but for generous approach to save lives, to respect lives. As one of the great dictator movie made by my dear beloved friend Charlie Chaplin, he said, they think more, they feel less. They don't have heart. The science has given everything for us, but these demons and rascals and criminals, the corrupt, evil souls come in power with false promises. But as soon as they grab the power, they forget everything else, and they really always strive and seek and find different ways and means for their self-gratification. Those who are listening all around the world, come to me. These evils will die soon, and the kingdom of God will prevail on this earth. If you all unite together and listen to me, it is possible to create Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and Atma Sarvabhute. So I tell you from heart, I love everyone. I love birds, fish, animals, plants, no discrimination. everything is brutality, murdering our own Mother Earth, depriving it from its different children, maybe in different caste, creed, race, religion, or in different species. Vasudev Kutumbakam. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve shantu niramaya, sarvbhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukh bhag bhave, asudo ma sadgamyo, tamasho ma jyoti gamyo, mrityu ma vidragamyo. Dear friends, I regret, as my friends Buddha, Jesus, and so many greats would not create the kingdom of God, peace, love, joy and serenity and calmness for the world. So I beg your pardon. Let's all unite together and fight against the divisive forces, against the evil thoughts. And every human being, if they create positive thoughts, every time I told you, truth